Right, here we have a Yamaha GP800XL. Got it as a non-runner. Cleaned out the fuel tank. She ran. I used another fuel tank there just to have fresh fuel. Just to isolate the problem there, but it was the fuel. It was a bit dirty. Didn't have much power running, so it narrowed it down to this seal here. And that, believe it or not, is a piece out of an old Wellington boot to make that gasket. But that was all cracked and perished, and these tanks need to build pressure for it to work properly. Make sure you read your advertisement here. Employers uniquement lessons ordinaire sans plan is very important. You don't want that to go away. Okay, when she's not making noises like this, she's making noises like this. We have a bit of a rattle going on here. Right. When you rev it up a little bit, the rattle goes away, then comes back again. So would that be rod knock? Or would it be some engine mount? Yeah. Any help would be greatly appreciated.